If your Excel dashboard can't refresh in 30 seconds, it's not a dashboard, it's a weekly headache. I've seen managers spending Monday mornings doing copy paste, fixing broken charts, and praying the numbers match the reports. Fast dashboards aren't designed, they are structured. One clean table, pivot tables, pivot charts, slicers. Your one outcome, one dashboard you can rebuild and refresh in 30 seconds so you can spend time on decisions, not formatting. Here are the 3 blockers that make beginners suffer. Data not in a table, so range break when rows grow. Charts not tied to pivot tables, so every update becomes surgery. Slicers not connected, so you filter one chart and the rest ignored. And the one owner, the person who owns the structure, the table plus the pivots plus the slicer setup. Not everyone, one owner. Here's the hack. Do this once, then reuse forever. Turn raw data into a table. Control T. You can give it any name. Let's say table sales. Insert a pivot table from the table. Add 2 pivot charts, maybe sales by region or rep. Insert a slicer, region plus rep. Right-click slicer, report connection. Click all pivots. Now your whole dashboard filters together. Clean. One team I know in Accra went from 2 hours of Monday updates to 30 seconds refresh because they stopped building charts and started building connection. Click the link in the bio to see the dashboard setup checklist. And if you want the J.K. Michaels Excel dashboard in 30 seconds checklist plus a starter layout, grab it from the link in the bio and also attend the next Excel class starting next month. Think training? Think J.K. Michaels. Think training impact? Think J.K. Michaels. Bye for now.